Hi children, I'm back and today I brought with me a huge box. Can you see? And I'm going to make a game for you to play. Yes, so we're going to mark in here. I've made it before with a pencil. I've made a big circle. Now you're going to need your adult to do this for you because you have to be very careful, and so do they. I got a very sharp knife and I'm going to cut here this circle round. So I'm going to start like this and I'm being very careful. Can you see? Let me turn here. I'm being very careful with this knife. Let's see if I can do it. Jennifer's being very careful, children. Look, so we don't get hurt. No accidents. Oh, it's working because I'm very careful. Look. I wonder who can guess what it's going to be. I wonder if you can guess. Make a big circle here. Nearly there. It's a bit tricky to go around the corner. Go around the bend. There we go, there we go. And up. Oh, what's this now? Oh,
Hello, how are you, my children? Lovely to see you.
it's going to be a game. So we have the box with a hole in it. And what you have to do is put the ball in here and try to get it wibbling, wobbling. Ooh, there's a tea bag in here. You get it wibbly wobbly like this, and to get it into the hole. It's out! Yay! See? So the secret is, the game is, you put the ball in here. I put a sock because I haven't got any balls in the house. So you put this here, and I'm going to get up to show it to you. And then you just shake the box and get the ball to go in. Whoops, nearly there. Oh, nearly there. Can you see? And lock's going to pass. Oh, go! It's gone through. So you try it at home and then let me know. Bye.